The RackChoice 3U server chassis is designed to cater to a diverse range of motherboard sizes, including ATX, MicroATX, and Mini-ITX, ensuring compatibility with various setups. This chassis provides excellent cooling options with the inclusion of 3 pre-installed 120mm fans and support for a 360mm liquid cooling radiator. With its 8 PCIe expansion slots, the chassis offers flexibility and support for graphics cards up to 320mm in length when using fans only. The internal drive bays can accommodate 2 3.5-inch drives and 1 2.5-inch drive, offering ample storage expansion possibilities. Built with versatility in mind, it supports both SFX and SFX-L power supply units, making it adaptable for different power requirements. The RackChoice 3U server chassis is a robust and versatile solution for those seeking a reliable rack mount server case with liquid cooling capabilities.